Have you ever been stuck wrestling with stubborn Adobe software, plagued by installation errors or remnants of old programs you just can't get rid of? Today, we're diving into a secret weapon, the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, a powerful utility designed to completely wipe away Creative Cloud and its related files. First, we need to find it. Head over to the Adobe support website and search for Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. You'll find the download link there. Click that link to download the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click to launch it. You may be prompted to agree to the license agreement before proceeding. Now, you'll see the Cleaner Tools interface. Here is where you will choose which Adobe products and associated files to remove. Careful, this will remove everything associated with certain Creative Cloud software, so make sure you know what's being deleted to avoid losing important work. Depending on what you want to remove, the options will vary. Common choices include all Creative Cloud apps, previous versions of applications, or specific programs like Premiere Pro or Photoshop. Select the appropriate options by entering a specified number and following the on-screen prompts to confirm your choices. After selecting the programs to be uninstalled, the tool will ask you one last time to confirm your choices before proceeding. Once you agree, the Cleaner tool will go to work. The process might take a few minutes, depending on how many apps and files are being removed. After the process finishes, you'll likely see a confirmation that the cleaning was successful. It is recommended that you restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and that's it. You've successfully used the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to eliminate unwanted Adobe programs or solve nagging installation problems.